can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a C program that take one operator and two operands and calculate the result. Basically it is working as calculator. So, let's code it. I code very fast, it just fast forwarded so you don't get bored. If you want this code, you can get downloaded from link given in description box. To run this code you should also have Turbo C++ already installed. Then paste the code in directory and execute it. Coding is finished as you can see. Now compile the code by pressing Alt plus F9. As you see there is no error in code, so, run code by pressing Ctrl plus F9. Now, enter operator symbol as a choice, and then, enter numbers to calculate it and get result.
Hoping you get the picture, 'cause I don't wanna drag this out too long, no. You always think you're right. I told her move on with your life. Don't fill my appetite. I told her move on with your life.
Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you found video helpful, so like it also. Bye, and see you in the next one. Till keep coding.